Most people think that in order to identify a rejection, you need to memorize all the candlestick patterns engulfing, doji, morning star, falling star, all of those. But today I want to show you how I identify a rejection of a EMA 50 exactly, in a very, very simple way. So if you know how to count, watch this because you can use it. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about on a chart. Okay, so first let's talk tools. The EMA stands for exponential moving averages. All it does is show you the average price, but it reacts faster than a normal moving average. For me, the EMA acts like a dynamic support and resistance. Okay, let me show you how to find it. You go to the indicators, EMA, moving average exponential, click on it, and then right here you go to settings. I like to make it white because my screen is black, a little thicker, and at the length we put 50. That's the one I use. Okay, and here we are. We have the EMA 50 on a chart. Now let's define rejection in the simplest way possible. I don't care about candle names. I don't care if it's a pin bar or an engulfing. I only care about speed and reaction. Okay? And EMA reaction is simple. What am I looking for? Let me go to the day. Here we go. I have here marked some things. Let me delete all the drawings. Here we go. What am I looking for? One, I am looking for the touch. Price must physically touch the EMA, and let's call this the trigger candle. So one, the touch. We can see here the price touch the EMA. Two, the window. The rejection must happen within a maximum 4 to I'm pulling it 5 candles. And 3, the break. To confirm the move, the price must break the low or the high of the first trigger candle. So here we go, this example right here. I have the trigger candle. I'm marking the high because the price is above the EMA. So the rejection must happen within a maximum 4-5 candles. In this, it happens in one. The second candle already broke the high, so it happened within 2 candles. Here another example. The price touch the EMA. Let's mark the high, the rejection. 1, 2, 3. The fourth already broke it, so I consider this a rejection. Here we go, another one. 1, 2, the price already at the third one, it broke. Same here. You see, it's the same as the before. 1, 2, it broke. Do I consider this a rejection? This is the first candle that touched it. How many candles I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a bunch of it. I personally don't consider it a rejection. There are cases when this also work, like in this case, but I don't consider it. You can see after this, the price starts slowing down and it break below. Is this a rejection? 1, a bunch of candles. I don't consider it a rejection of the EMA. I will not take it as a rejection. I will, in this case, I will take a break and a retest of a area. The area break and retest, price below the EMA and go down. Let me show you another example of the rejection of the EMA. Here we go. 1, price just fly. Okay. Now here is the secret. The smaller the number of candle, the stronger the rejection. Okay. 1 to 2 candle, this is a V-shaped rejection. It shows massive, aggressive pressure. 3, 4, 5, this is a green. It still counts, but it shows the market is hesitating. Okay, now I need to be 100% real with you. Even If you get a lightning fast one candle rejection, not every setup is a winner. Trading is a game of math, not a game of certainties. Sometimes the EMA acts as a perfect trampoline. Other times, it's just a speed bump before a total reversal. Remember, edge equals probability and risk management. Wanna see one more example and that's it. This is a rejection. This is where the touch. No, it's not. Is this a rejection? No, it's not. It did not break. Here I have a rejection. Is this a rejection? The price break below, above, touch it, break also the trigger candle, and it went up. This is a rejection. This is a rejection. Also a rejection. I want to see an example where the price doesn't react properly. This is overnight. Let's look. I want to see. Here we go. Right here. This is an example where the strategy doesn't 100% work. Price break below, touch it, trigger candle, 1, 2, 3, the third candle break, and it did not go down. It probably touched my stop loss. Also, you know, in this strategy are other things that I include, like trend. I'm looking at the trend, how the EMA moves. If it's flat like here, I will not go in. But would you like me to show what exactly is the strategy and where I put my stop loss? Let me know in the comments. Let me know and I'll make a video about that, okay? So that's it. I hope you understood. Stop overcomplicating your charts with the different 100 patterns. Watch the EMA, count your candles, and wait for the break. If you found this simplification helpful, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the new video. Bye!